Estate planning is always evolving with new laws and requirements implemented every year. It's one of the reasons it's important to get your information from someone who really understands the process and the laws. We welcome attorney Douglas C. Smith to Wake Up Today for this morning's Ask a Lawyer segment. Good morning.
Morning, thank you.
It can be an overwhelming topic, estate planning.
Lots of complexity.
Yeah. Start off with this question, because a lot of folks wonder, with the new administration, with the Trump administration, can the administration affect our estate plans?
Certainly it can affect your estate plan. It doesn't actually affect the way the will or trust works itself. That's state law issues, and so that won't change. But it does have an effect on taxes, estate taxes and gift taxes, and that is an important part of estate planning. Less so than people have thought recently, because the exemption level at $5.49 million per individual, almost $11 million per couple, is so high that most people aren't impacted. But the administration is talking about changing that, taking that away, putting in a capital gain tax, loss of a step-up in basis at death instead, and that may have an impact. So.
And when you say all of that, people at home go, wow, that's why we need somebody who really knows. If you have some issues, you need to seek legal counsel, because it can be very complicated. Any relatively new laws here that's changing plans here at home?
One thing that we're focusing on now is, because the exemption level is so high for estate tax, we're focusing on capital gain tax and making sure you get a step up in basis on second death. That is important to Hawaii people, because we often have a great deal of appreciation in our homes, and we want to capture that step up in cost basis at second death. There's also a new law that has to do with deeds, and it allows you to transfer upon death to someone just through a deed, so it's almost a payable on death with a real property, which is a change and useful to some people.
Which really affects many families in Hawaii, because we often pass our properties down to the next generation.
Yes, and it avoids probate, and it's simple. So.
Okay, so question is, if I have an estate plan already on my possession, how often should I revisit that information?
Right. I usually recommend to my clients every 3 to 5 years that they see their trust or estate lawyer, and oftentimes it can be as simple as a call. The law doesn't change that rapidly. Or more often, you should see them if something changes about your own circumstances. You win the lottery, or there's some change in your family that requires attention. So.
Okay, very good information right there. A lot of your colleagues will be answering phones today, and I know with elder law and estate planning, you're going to get a lot of phone calls and people taking advantage of this. So you have a chance today, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's all part of our Action Line Law Week right here. The number to call on your screen, 591-0222. Again, legal advice on this kind of estate, on elderly law. A very popular subject, because it affects every family.
Yes.
It really does. And it's one of those subjects hard to ignite the conversation with family, but it's necessary.
Yes,
it really is. All right,